Well, I'm doing it again. Let's see what happens.
DoorDash is going to the same house.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I wasn't going to film today because I'm only scheduled for 2.5 hours. I'm delivering on DoorDash and I already got my first order. It has a Wingstop, which I'm already in the plaza. So while I go pick up my first order, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. Let's make some money today. Yeah, for Mario. It's weird because every time I pick up from here, well, like a handful of times I picked up from here, they had me click that I got the order so that I couldn't like unassign it, steal the food, you know, then they have to remake it. But like lately they haven't been doing that. Came out to be $7.75 with a $5 tip. I just declined these 3 orders in a row. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. All right, we got an order, $7.50, 1.7 miles. I'm already in the plaza. Let's go pick it up. Yes, for Galleria. Yes, ma'am. So this place always asks you to show them your phone so that they could verify the name. She asked me to push that I got the order and then she turned around and didn't even look at me. So that's why I stood there for an extra minute. So this is a leave at door, 1.5 miles. Right here.
Your destination is on the right.
How do I get over there?
The customer requested you leave before
What the heck?
their door. They have the following instructions. Leave at my door.
They have no driveway. It came out to be the $7.50 I was offered.
Trying to do a mobile order. Mobile order. Try it again.
It was already ready. What? It's a leave at door, but it looks like it's inside Walmart. It might be inside Walmart. Oh, it's okay. It's a business in the Walmart plaza. I guess some customers think that leave at door is like if they're in a business, it's just like that. It's more like leave it with somebody at the door. Hey, Leslie. Thank you. Thank you. What is that? It's a GoPro. Because I deliver food. Oh, okay. Yeah. All right, we got another order, $7.25 for 1.7 miles. It's only for 2 items. Let's see what the items are. A COVID test and a lemon ginger herbal tea. All right, so somebody thinks they have COVID and then they want some tea because they don't feel good. So let's bring it to them. It said we started a timer to track your shopping. I've never seen that before. I've never been in the store before. I have no idea where any of this is. All right, I'm gonna go get the tea because I have no idea where that is. A little tea pack right here. Yeah, I found the tea. Right? Yes. All right, now I gotta find this COVID test. All it says is personal care. Like, how personal are we talking? Could you help me? Yes, ma'am. Okay. A COVID test? Yeah, that'll be up front though. Oh, okay. Hi, I'm doing DoorDash. Do you have a COVID test?
They're right.
Hold it.
And
Could I scan the barcode?
some lady did that like about 2 minutes ago.
Really?
Yep.
With
Same-
that?
Same one.
Okay. With the tea or without the tea?
Without the
Oh.
Wait,
Maybe
I
it's
think
a.
there- I think there was tea.
Oh no.
Oh man.
Okay, confirm. Well, I'm doing it again. Let's see what happens.
DoorDash is going to the same house.
Let's see what happens.
DoorDash is going to the same house.
Let's see what happens. DoorDash is going to the same house.
Well, I'm doing it again. Let's see what happens.
DoorDash is going to the same house. So like with DoorDash, do they like give you a card and then they
Yeah.
use their money?
Yes, this is their card.
Alrighty, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right, we got the goods. Did you hear him? He said somebody was just in there buying a COVID test, and he believes that they were buying the same tea as well. And I'm like, uh-oh. So it doesn't have me take a picture of the receipt like normal. It didn't give me a barcode for him to scan like normal. All it says is directions, leave at door, ring bell. Like it brings me to the customer. So there's a lot of steps there that are missing. Maybe the previous dasher kept the items, which these are pretty random items for someone to keep and like get out of the order. Maybe, I don't know. I had no problem at all. Very, very weird. What do you guys think? Yeah, $7.25 for that order. You took 7 minutes and your average shopping time per aisle was 3 minutes. Okay, well, I had to wait in line for the other order. Anyways, I ain't worried about the time. That's why I don't do shop and pay orders. It was already ready. $7. Oh my god, it just got so dark and windy. It is about to storm. What in the world? It's like pushing my car sideways. Alright guys, we've had an eventful couple hours. I will put the totals on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. I think I already said that at the beginning of this video. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Alright, we got an order. Well, why y'all seem so close? It's more like leave it at the door, it's more like leave it, oh my god.